The following contest is set for one fall with the New Level Pro Wrestling Championship on the line. Introducing first, and his opponent,
Over there.
I'm about to prove you are not. And you can thank that cheap shot for it. I'm going to embarrass you in front of anybody who's down here. Ready?
And here we go. This match officially underway. The BTW Scott Morgan taking on Dawson Kimbrell. The returning Dawson Kimbrell. Dawson's in control. There's the hammerlock. Scott goes behind, applies one of his own. Scott able to hang on. I think this is going to be definitely a much more technically based wrestling match. Oh, and just as I said, there you go, ring awareness While Kimbrell just stomping the boot, forcing Morgan to release the hold. Morgan once again, oh, you know, as soon as I say somebody's in control, the other one gets ahead. Morgan breaks Dawson's hold. Now the crowd getting behind Dawson. He is the Dynasty. Made a shocking return here at New Level Pro. Oh, kick to the midsection. Kimbrell ducks the line from Morgan. Oh. And that sends Morgan flying out of the ring. Morgan making sure he has all of his teeth. And I don't blame him. Alright, Kimbrell catching back up to Morgan, sending him face first in the steel ring post. Morgan with an elbow and a forearm. Oh, that knee taking out Morgan. I think he might be out. Staggering back in the ring. There's the drop kick. Covered by Kimbrell. Kick out at 2. Kimbrell charges, but Morgan got the boot up. Oh. And Kimbrell's with the knee to the back, taking down Morgan. Dragging him into position. There's the cover, and Morgan kicks out at 2. Tried to hold on. And there's more of the technical skill of the BTW, your New Level Pro Champion. Kimbrell tries to kick him away with no success. And the forearm from Kimbrell. Morgan gets Kimbrell down to a knee, but not for long. Morgan back at it. There's a forearm from Kimbrell. Morgan wants to know where his applause is. Oh, Morgan chops Dawson and gets a forearm for his troubles. Oh, the chops sounding off on the chest of Kimbrell. Morgan tripping Kimbrell. Forearm from Dawson. Forearm after forearm by Dawson. And Morgan shoves him spine first into the steel ring post. That'll slow you down. Morgan trying to take Kimbrell's shoulder out of the socket. Now Morgan has a target. He's going to keep going after Dawson's shoulder. Morgan makes his way back up to the ring. Through the ropes, but Kimbrell was ready. Kick to the midsection. Kimbrell is in control. But Morgan fights out of it. Shot to the kidneys. The official checking in with Kimbrell. The boot to the back. Now Morgan using the ropes to take advantage there. Again, Morgan wants praise from the audience. I don't know if he's going to get it. There's the forearm across the face. And another. A well-placed kick to the back. Covered by Scott. A kick out. Dawson able to kick out there. Scott driving the knee into the spine. And just like I told you, Scott also targeting those shoulders. He knows how important those are to Kimbrell's offense. Kimbrell trying to fight out of this. Kimbrell makes it to his feet. And now he's able to get Morgan into a similar situation. While Morgan shoves Kimbrell off. And Morgan standing on the hand while slapping the elbow. Scott Morgan is trying to take out the entire arm of Kimbrell. And you could see the pain on the Dynasty's face. You can even see the marks, the welts beginning to show up on his arm. But disrespect from Morgan. Now the forearm from Kimbrell. The Dynasty's forearm. Now kick to the midsection. Morgan trying to get Kimbrell down. What's he going for here? Oh, dangerous position for Kimbrell. Oh, Kimbrell wants no part of that. Rolls out. Pulls himself up in the corner. Kimbrell got the boot up. And Morgan takes down Kimbrell. Morgan with the camel clutch on the Dynasty. Is Kimbrell gonna tap here? Both men giving it their all. Dynasty on his feet, drives Morgan spine first into the turnbuckles. The crowd cheering on Dawson. Chop taking down Morgan. And kick to the midsection. Knee to the back of the head. Oh! That's gotta... I was gonna say that's gotta be it, but Kimbrell's going for more. There's the cover. Morgan got it. Morgan kicked out at 2. What resilience shown by both of these men. Here at day 2 of Dog Days of Summer. This match for the New Level Pro Championship. Are we going to have a new champion, or will Scott Morgan, the BTW, retain? Morgan is up, Kimbrell is up. Kimbrell charges, but Morgan ducks out of the way. Kimbrell got the boot up. Morgan swept it down. And again, Morgan going after the arms. Both men are beginning to show signs of fatigue. Morgan charges. The release German by the BTW. Oh, Kimbrell firing up with a shot there. But Morgan comes right back. Oh! There's the cover by Morgan. Kimbrell kicking out at 2. The official says he did kick out at 2. The match rolls on. Morgan in control. This is not good for Dawson. Oh! Can you imagine the pain that the Dynasty is in? But he's still not giving up. He's going to be able to make it to the ropes. He's got to reach. Can he do it? He does. Kimbrell grabs the rope, forcing Morgan to break the hold. Morgan thinks he's won. Nope. You have to keep going, Scott. The match isn't over. He thinks Kimbrell tapped. There's a roll-up by Kimbrell. Kick out at 2. Kimbrell charges. Oh. Kimbrell hit it. There's the cover. The official. The official counted the 3. We have a new level pro champion, but Scott Morgan's leg was on the bottom rope. That count should not count. It can't count. What's the official going to do here? The official says we have to restart this match. Oh, come on. The low blow by Morgan. There's the cover. Scott Morgan, due to a gracious official, is still your new level pro champion.